Hello and welcome to Wednesday Wonders, where every week we're featuring an Australian artist from the Madeit platform. Now this week we have one of our wood artists who's based over in Perth in WA, and oh my goodness, these creations are amazing. Have a look at this. So these creations, the artist that we're featuring this week is One Spotty Dog, and Tash is the designer and creator of these products. And she builds these stacker toys for kids. Now this is original wooden toys that she has cut and made and finished and designed from top to toe. And so you can see here, we grew up with these, right? All of us grew up with these beautiful wooden toys, but they sort of disappeared in the world of mass produced. And even the quality that you get of those wooden toys don't have that authentic handmade feel. Hello, One Spotty Dog, these tick every box. Now, what I love about what Tash does as well is not only are they super fun and practical for kids to want to play with, but how beautiful is that? It actually makes a really great home decor piece as well. So when you're in the chaos of having little kids, it's still nice to have things that aesthetically, color-wise, work with everything in your house. So this one here, we've got the koala stacker. And to give you an idea of price, they start from around $50 to $75 are for these creations, but that also includes shipping, which is amazing, especially from over in WA. But they stack, that's part of the fun of it, isn't it? But they've got, you can hear that truly authentic wooden stacking feel that they've got as well. But all of the edges are finished really beautifully and smooth, so they're not going to cause any traumas for little hands as well. Now this one here, I'm going to try and carefully pick up because it's so beautiful. And this is the sort of piece that could really last for so long. And these, you know, are definitely some of the standout pieces that Tash creates, these beautiful rainbow stackers. And they all slot in together. Great little puzzle, but again, just absolutely beautiful. Even that little heart just pops out there, and it's a little turtle. Now this one also came, it's a very tricky one, excuse me, to do for Wednesday Wonders, to be able to hold it all. But you can see that natural wood on the side. Then have a look at the back. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. And again, everything's so smooth. You can jump on over to Tash's page as well and see how she actually creates them as well. Now, she started doing these when her kids were young as well, and it kind of evolved, and she was able to see, you know, which ones are they picking up? Which ones do they love the most? So they've all been created from that space of curiosity from her as a designer and as an artist as well, to really create pieces that children love. Such a beautiful handmade gift. Now, I had to laugh at this one because when I picked up the creations from Tash at the post office, and my beautiful son Ari, who's 10 going on 11, opened it up, and he saw this and he's like, oh my goodness, can I test it out? I was like, darling, it's not for us to test. Like, this is part of Wednesday Wonders. But that just goes to show how much she's nailed it with what kids really love. Now, this is a bow and arrow set. Oh, love that sound. And a musical instrument. But they've got these soft balls on them so that they can be fired inside the house without causing too much damage. But they've got, look at this, everything sort of, it goes through the little hole and then you can fire it off and use it as a bow and arrow. And my son was even saying that he wanted to check how much he had in his savings so that he could also purchase one of these. So these are the creations by One Spotty Dog, which is Tash, and she's based over in Perth in WA. These beautiful, you think so too, Bruce? Oh my goodness. These beautiful handmade wooden toys that she has designed and created from scratch. They are so beautiful. And I know that anyone who's got little kids would absolutely love to get these.